I've never been a big fan of G-Shocks. Look at this thing. It looks like a Digivice. Why the fuck would you do this to yourself? I'm not the kind of man who sees himself wearing a rubber watch. Although the Galaxy Watch 4 was pretty close to it.
In today's video, we're going to talk about a watch so smart you will forget to leave your phone at home.
I enjoyed the Galaxy Watch 4 for what it offered, but it wasn't for me. Charging it every week wasn't for me. Let's just see that as a phase. I'm getting off topic. This video is about G-Shock. Personally, I never been a big fan of G-Shocks either. Basically, they're all plasticky looking. There is a common saying which goes, there is a G-Shock for everybody. I never really believed it up until I saw this watch. This watch arrived yesterday, and we're gonna unbox it here on the channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go! Guys, insane shit is about to go down. What I have here is a gold frosted G-Shock. And I'm super happy to unbox this on the channel because I want to remember this moment. Okay, so what have we got in the bag? I believe this is the original case of the G-Shock, which we have here. I think I'll use this watch box to keep some of my other watches in here. Back to the fun parts. Or should I say the main event. The moment I've been waiting for all weekend. So here we have the Casio G-Shock box. And I'm super excited to see this watch in person. So here we have manual, which I don't think we will use. Ooh, we got a tool here. I like this. This happens when you do business with a good seller. Anyway, we got the Casio G-Shock here. I really like the box because it mimics the bezel of the G-Shock that we are about to open. And it's still got the tag here. Anyway, this is the watch. What a badass looking watch. How does it feel? This is a beautiful timepiece, if not one of my favorite timepieces. And it just looks so fucking sturdy. Oh my god. Let me see if it fits. Wait, how does this close? Okay, like this. This is such a pretty watch. Yo, we nailed my fit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a badass watch. The only thing I don't like about this watch straight away is the fact that the crown is non-usable. We might swap out the mud at some point for something less tacky, that is the right word. But despite that, I fucking love the look of this watch, man. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. We got the Gold Frost G-Shock with Tiffany dial markers. And hopefully you find this as beautiful as I do. Oh, and also we got some extra links here in case the bracelet didn't fit. But the seller nailed it. I love it. So now that I'm over the initial excitement of owning the watch, actually no, it's still very exciting to own it. I really like the Casio Oak, let's call it that. I'm actually going to tell you a few things that I like about this watch. And I think I should be wearing the watch for this part. And we're going to welcome the Casio Oak to the audience. Oh, the watch is rolling around. Normally the bracelet goes in from this side and it's super smooth, but I did it the wrong way around, so it wasn't working. Anyway, now that I've spent a little bit of time with this watch, here's a few things that I like about this watch. For starters, it's smaller than I thought it would be. I was a little bit afraid to buy this watch because I thought it would look massive on my wrist, and it's a big watch, but it doesn't look massive. You know what I mean? It's a chunky watch. The second thing that I like about this watch is, how can I explain this? This watch is refined, but feels rough, and I really like that. So I go over here with my finger and I just feel loads of texture. And I like that. It makes me feel like it's the complete opposite of this watch. So this is the fancy version, and this is the rough version that I would wear out to do my daily activities. And I'd probably wear this for more chilled and relaxed activities where I know my wrist won't be in danger, if you know what I mean. Anyway, this feels rough, but is refined, and I really like that about this watch. I feel like I can wear it while I cycle, I can wear it while I go to the beach. And it's just those things that make this a rough watch, which I enjoy because I'm a rough guy. Something else that I like about this watch, I like that this watch has got 5 alarms. It allows me to rely less on my phone and just keep my alarms in my wrist, which is really simple. Like, I got an alarm for when I wake up, an alarm for when it's time to go to work, and an alarm for when it's time to finish work. And I was using my phone for these things in the past. When I got tired of relying on my phone, I then started using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And when I got tired of how often I had to charge the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, I started using the Casio A168. I took this watch into work so many times because it has an alarm function, it fits in my pocket, and it's even got a light from when I'm cycling back at home. But it's so crappy that you're probably not able to see this. It is a really crappy light, but it's revolutionary if you think about it. Like, having a watch with a light, like 2 years ago, that's crazy. You had Loom, and that's cool. But having a digital light in a watch, back in the day, that must have been the dog's bollocks. This watch has got loads of more features. It's got world times, it's got a stopwatch. But one of my favorite features has been the backlight. And you can barely see it right now, but at nighttime, this is like a great flashlight for you to go to the bathroom. I've been actually using this watch as a flashlight to go to the bathroom, to get into the house at night when I finish work, because, I grab the keys and I spend like a good 3 seconds, like, where is this motherfucker? And I just point my watch now. I grab the keys and it's so simple because I got 3 seconds to do it. That's another thing, guys. The light is adjustable. It came with 1 second backlight, but you can extend that to 3 seconds, and I think that is a lot better. Actually, the first light isn't 1 second, it's a second and a half. So, yeah, it's not like you're gonna press and you're gonna have to keep holding. You can press the light and you'll hold on for a little bit, but that little bit is so short that I couldn't get my keys in the door. So, I actually changed it to 3 seconds because I realized this is a pretty useful light. So yeah, those are the things that I like about this watch so far. I haven't used it for long enough to tell you more things. Oh my god, I can't believe I almost finished this video without telling you guys this. 200 meters of water resistance. Give G-Shock a medal, mate. So this is my first impressions and review of the GA2100, and I and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.